Ladies and gentlemen, today, okay, we are making a drink based on the movie Mary Queen of Scots, okay? This movie is definitely going to win Academy Awards, especially in the makeup category. Like when you see Margot Robbie as Queen Elizabeth with the authentic English makeup on, it's going to change your life.
Should you murder me, you murder your queen.
Claiming her destiny.
Your cousin Mary has returned to take up her throne.
Made her powerful.
She is only your queen if I should not produce an heir.
Claiming her crown.
We bring an heir to Scotland and to England.
Made her a threat.
Your beauty, your bravery, your gifts will be your downfall.
Mary Queen of Scots. Rated R.
Let's just begin. What are we starting with?
So we're starting with some apple-infused scotch.
How much are you pouring?
2 ounces of this. So I take some apples, dice them, put them in a container, let it sit for 24 hours,
Apples,
strain it out.
Apples and scotch.
Apples and scotch. So next we got some lemon juice, just fresh pressed lemon juice.
Okay,
nothing
that's right.
fancy about that.
Okay, we squeeze those out back, all right? I'm a squeezer.
Right.
Okay, lemon juice.
After that, we got some mulled wine syrup.
Okay, tell them how you made this one, okay?
Yeah, that sounds interesting.
So what I did is I took some sugar, some oranges, and a bunch of herbs and spices like cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, juniper berries, peppercorns. Put it in with some wine, reduced it down to about a third. Next we'll go with the egg white,
Okay.
all pasteurized. Beautiful.
We're not cutting that out, okay?
All right, let's go over here.
Okay.
You want to clean that up?
Yes, I got you, okay?
Question, what does the egg do for the drink?
It makes it nice and creamy and frothy, gives it that.
Nice.
It doesn't change the flavor, it just changes the
Can I just
texture.
add
I was
this to the
wondering,
pile of
Yeah, I've been in love with Margot Robbie for years, right? But the makeup in this movie is so authentic. Like when you look at this picture, I was like,
You didn't know if that was really her.
I was
pretty
like,
bad.
dude, that is good. That's how you win an Oscar, okay?
So next, we're gonna do some Angostura Bitters. It's gonna be actually quite a lot of bitters. I threw a 1/4 ounce in here.
See the mixologists, they flipping mixing tins upside down. You see what I'm saying? They always stand to show off. They got to do the most, you know what I mean? No, I can't use a regular sugar, okay? I got
Well,
to
this
flip
one doesn't
something
have a
upside down.
1/4 ounce, and I like to be pretty accurate.
Okay, all right.
We're gonna throw just a little baby pinch of salt in there.
That's pink salt.
Pink salt. I mean,
Does it
you
have
can
to be
use
pink?
whatever salt you want. Yeah, it doesn't have to be pink. All right, so next we're gonna dry shake this.
Now explain this part, okay? Notice what he just said, dry shaking, because of the egg whites.
Because of the egg white, so that it infuses with the cocktail and makes it nice and creamy. So you see it look like this.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
So it kind of mixes everything together.
So now we come behind with the ice to chill this bad boy, see?
Fresh ice.
Right.
And you gotta shake this one really hard just to get it nice and frothy.
Notice the mixology shake.
You gotta.
Notice the mixology
You
shake.
know?
Let me try that. Can I try that?
You gotta match it, Sky. Come on.
I just tried to do his shake.
I got the beat. No. That wasn't it.
No, let me,
He had a little
Alright.
flow.
okay, let me show you the mixology shake. I'm a mixologist.
He's terrible.
Yeah, you go. Try, Bobby.
I mean, I don't know. Let me see if I can kick it. He had
There you go.
a little beat going. You
Beautiful.
gotta have the beat in your
That's
head.
a twerk. That's a twerk,
It was
okay?
a little something.
Now let's
Ready?
change the
Wait.
bartender shake.
I was gonna do that.
Oh, go ahead, man. Don't let me stop you. Go ahead,
He's
man.
been
The
watching.
Tipsy Bartender shake.
Hey.
All right, so we double strain this to strain any of the little egg white pieces out. There's a little.
Dude, look at that.
Got a nice color. That's pretty.
Look at that right on the top. All right.
Oh wow. I hope they could see the two. Like
You see the bottom?
that's
The
nice.
bottom.
It'll separate.
The bottom
right here.
beginning to come in.
really
The bottom's
pretty.
beginning to
That's
come
a
in.
nice looking drink.
So what this pieces you putting on now?
So this is a Kinome leaf. It's just an herb. All right, so then we'll take this, garnish nice and pretty. If you want to throw some
little
black
pepper?
pepper on top, just spread it around the top.
Just a little bit.
You gotta
Yeah.
salt bay it.
Like
You gotta
how
come at
much?
an angle like that.
No, because I don't want to go too ham. Is that like
That's
just
perfect.
Okay, cool.
And there you have it.
That had no passion. It had no feel in it. Okay.
Wait. I've known you long enough. I got this.
Okay.
All right, let's see.
I gotta give it a go. I gotta act as if I'm in the movie. You know?
Okay.
Right.
And there you have it.
Okay. Wait,
It was more dramatic.
What kind
It
of?
was-
What,
I was
somebody-
giving you my Academy Award winning, and there you have it.
That was way better than mine.
But the piece at the end, you know, it sounded like you're choking. Sound like one of the
It
death.
was acting.
Sound like
It
one of
was
the death
acting.
scenes in this movie. By the way, this movie is rated R, and that's always a good sign. Okay. That's where you can make a real movie. When you see R, you know, okay, this is good stuff. Okay.
Right.
And there you have it. You see the passion?
No.
Now that kind of
That
stuff
was-
wins Academy
That
Awards.
almost made me jump.
Okay.
You brought in the jazz hands. You lost us there. Lost us
Angel
there.
fingers. Okay, go ahead. Taste, Bobby.
Okay, ooh.
You go first.
I got this. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing.
It does.
That's the thing with mixology, okay? Because they bring in everything, taste, smell, and the visual. These guys are actually French chefs.
I'm trying not to finish that. So I'm not gonna lie, the whiskey kind of scared me a bit because I'm used to like the fruity drinks, the girly drinks. But that's good. That's good. That's
Thank
for
you.
everybody.
I appreciate
that.
That
is definitely for everybody.
I'm trying to go for it.
I dare say, we must invade England. They have stolen our territory. Lord save the Queen. Queen Elizabeth, I serve you. See that? That's right there. Okay? Why I don't have an Academy Award is beyond me, okay? Because I should be cast in something. Like, I could have been in this movie. Okay? I could have been the boyfriend or something. You know what I mean? You know?
That's a big role.
That's a big Hollywood. You got to put twist on this. Yeah, okay, her boyfriend might have been some white dude from 15 something. Okay, but why can't we go black? I'm just saying, okay? Historically accurate with a twist. All right? Anyway, guys, go check out this film. It's freaking awesome. It will win awards, okay? And thank you, Tana, for coming through.
Of course.
Thank you, Bobby. And stay tipsy, my friends. God save the Queen!